Hello guys, how are you? All of you are fine. Today's video we are discussing 1.4.4 exclamatory sentences. Okay, its definition, its structure and its conversion. Before that, we discussed last three videos we discussed assertive sentence, imperative sentence and interrogative sentence. Assertive sentence means statement, facts, declaration, assertion, subject plus verb plus object या complement. This is the structure of assertive sentence. The second, imperative sentence, impression. It is a advice, request, suggestion, order, command. Start with verb plus object या complement. There is no subject. Subject is present in the form of listener, in the form of receiver, in the form of audience. Subject are always omitted in imperative sentence. Verb plus object या complement. Next, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means nothing but question. Ask a question ended with question mark. There are two types of interrogative sentences. One that is called WH question and second that is called verbal या yes no type of questions. Okay, in interrogative sentence, subject is divided verb into two categories. One that is called modal auxiliary and main verb. For example, WH word, then helping verb, then subject, then verb, then object, complement and question mark. In verbal, there is no WH questions, there is no WH word, but here is modal auxiliaries plus subject plus verb, then object, complement and question mark. This is the structure of interrogative sentence. We discussed in last three videos its changes. Today's video we are dealing with last one, exclamatory sentence. Before that, we also discussed the examination point of view. Types of sentence will be asked for final paper in question number 6C for 2 marks, maximum 4 marks. There are two sentences. Okay, change the sentence into assertive, into imperative, into exclamatory, into interrogative. One sentence for 2 marks. Okay, so assertive we finished, imperative also we finished, interrogative also finished. Today's video we are discussing exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory means expression, the sentence which is used to express our feelings and emotions. Here is definition. An exclamatory sentence or exclamation is a more forceful version of a declarative sentence. Forceful is a more forceful version of a declarative sentence. Basically it is a statement, it is assertion, it is statement, it is fact, it is a declaration, but in a with forceful manner, with deep feelings and emotion, maybe joy or maybe sorrow. Okay, forceful manner, deep feelings and emotions. Okay, exclamatory sentence basically it is a assertion, statement, declaration, fact, but it added our deep feelings and emotion with interjection word, with exclamation marks. So it is a exclamatory sentence. In other words, an exclamatory sentence makes a statement, but it is also conveys excitement or emotions. I am saying the same things na, कि basically it is a statement but it added our sudden feelings and emotion, our deep feelings and emotion, our excitement, our emotions. Okay, basically it is a statement but it also convey excitement or emotions. An exclamatory sentence end with an exclamation marks. It is also important. Okay, basically it is a assertion, statement, facts as well as declaration with deep feelings and emotion, with forceful feelings and emotions, ended with exclamation marks. Statement, it is ended with full stop. Interrogative, it ended with question mark. Imperative, it start with subject, not subject but verb. It start with verb, ended with full stop. And this one, exclamatory sentence, it is ended with exclamation marks. Yeah, there is a interjection word. Basically, it is a statement, but it add deep feelings and emotion with forceful feelings and emotion, excitement, etc. Okay, examples. What a pleasant surprise it is. What a pleasant surprise it is. Okay, there are two structure, what and how, then then object a complement, and then subject plus verb. This is structure. And another interjection word, then exclamation marks, then subject plus verb, this object a complement, full stop. These are the two types of structure of exclamatory sentence. Here is structure number one. What, yeah, how. A pleasant surprise means object a complement, and it is a subject, and is it is a verb followed by exclamation marks. Examples 1.4.4 sample exercise 8. Transform the following exclamatory sentence to assertive one. असर्टिव में चेंज करना है आपको, एक्सक्लेमेटरी टू असर्टिव. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ए, हाउ बिग दैट मैंगो ट्री इज. हाउ या व्हाट, बिग दैट मैंगो ट्री. okay, big that, it is object a complement, mango tree it is a subject, and is it is a verb. The mango tree is very big. हाउ या व्हाट की जगह पे क्या करते हैं हम, वेरी यूज करते हैं. द मैंगो ट्री इज वेरी बिग. व्हाट अ ब्यूटिफुल पिक्चर इट इज. इट इज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पिक्चर मीन्स हाउ, व्हेन डिड वी यूज हाउ. अ एज आर्टिकल्स है, मतलब इनडेफिनेट है, तो एट दैट टाइम वी यूज व्हाट. एंड डेफिनेट है मीन्स देर इज नो आर्टिकल्स, देन वी यूज हाउ. What a beautiful picture it is. It is a very beautiful pictures. Next, hooray. Okay, look at this. How big that mango tree is. How plus subject, sorry, how plus object a complement, then subject, then verb. It is structure. B, what plus object a complement plus subject plus verb. What a beautiful picture it is. It is a very beautiful picture. Then sentence number 3, structure number 2, interjection word followed by exclamation marks, then subject plus verb plus object a complement. Hooray! We have won the match. We are so happy. Hooray! It denotes, it expresses our joy, our happiness, our achievement with excitement, forceful feelings and emotion. It is a statement, it is a declaration, but it added our force of emotions, our feelings. We are so happy that we have won the match. Have you got it? Hooray की जगह पे क्या यूज किया? We are so happy that it is a conjunction. We have won the match. Next sentence number 4th. If only I were a king, we say. Feelings are deep feelings. If only I were a king! Exclamation mark say, unless I was a king. Okay, in this way we convert exclamatory sentence into the assertive. Here is some sentences. Convert the following assertive sentence into the exclamatory. देखो, it is very fine weather today. It is very fine weather. It is subject, is it is a verb. Very fine weather today. Very fine weather, object a complement, today object a complement. What a fine weather is today. Yeah, today is. What a fine weather today it is. ऐसा होना चाहिए था. You should write like this. What a fine weather today it is. Okay, it is. Second, it is a joyful that I own a lottery. It is a joyful that I own a lottery. Okay. What a joyful things that I own the lottery. It is joyful. What a joyful things that I own the lottery. Yeah, what a joyful thing is it that I own a lottery? ऐसे भी आप such manner you can write it. See, it is sad that I could not qualify the competition. It is sad means sorrow, pain that I could not qualify the competition. Alas, how sad it was! How sad it was! How sad it was! Subject plus verb that I could not qualify the competition. In this way, you can write it also. Sad, alas, how sad it was that I could not qualify the competition. In this manner, we can interchange it also. D. He is a very noble man. Simple sentence, assertive sentence. He is subject plus verb plus objective complement. What a noble man he is. E. You seem to be much upset. Subject plus verb plus object complement assertive sentence convert into exclamatory. How upset you are. How. Okay. What a how upset you are. In this way, you can interchange maybe assertive to imperative or imperative to assertive sentences. Got it? I hope you can understand the all four type of sentences, its structure, its meaning, and its conversion also. Hope you can use appropriate part of speech and construct the sentence in the following four categories, as well as you can build, you can construct, you can formulate your own sentences as per the situation, as per the specific situation. Suppose you have any doubt regarding any clarification, please share your doubt and clarification in face to face discussion. Hope you can enjoy it. Thank you.